Hey guys! To make an Eiffel Tower, you would need proper measurement and ratio of heights and bases, as you can see. For making outer framework, you'll need a thick strip and a thin strip for inner details, as I am doing. Now let's start pasting the strips for outer framework by tracing it on the sketch of tower. Continue the same process for the rest 3 parts. Here I am highlighting the sketch of inner details. Now trace and paste the strips for inner details. You need to endure a lot of patience for a better and subtle result. And now continue crisscrossing throughout the empty spaces. Similarly, by repeating the same process, make 3 more structures like this. With a needle tool, I'm giving creases for clean bends. Use a thin paper as a joint for joining the 4 faces of the tower. Yes, this is how it looks. Isn't it amazing? But to give it a realistic finishing, cut small triangles and paste it as shown. Hope you like it. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Bye.